Welcome to Australia, home to some of the world's most unique creatures, like the wombat. Today we're exploring the life of this remarkable marsupial, found nowhere else on Earth. Wombats may look like small, furry bears, but they're actually close relatives of kangaroos and koalas, carrying their young in a pouch. With their stocky build and waddling walk, wombats are icons of the Australian bush. But they're more than just cute faces. They're powerful diggers, shaping the landscape with their burrows. These underground homes provide shelter for many animals, especially during bushfires. Wombats are tough survivors, perfectly adapted to their environment, from their diet of tough grasses to their unique defenses. Our journey takes us to the woodlands and mountains of southeastern Australia and Tasmania, the heartland of wombat country. As the sun sets, wombats emerge. Nocturnal by nature, they spend their days safe in cool burrows. Their connection to the land runs deep. They've been part of Australia for millions of years. Fossils reveal ancient giant wombats, but today, 3 living species carry on their legacy. We'll meet them, uncover their strange behaviors, and even solve the mystery of their cube-shaped poop. This is a story of survival, clever adaptations, and why protecting wombats matters. So let's dig in and discover the secrets of the wombat. There are 3 living species of wombat, each with its own unique traits and habitat. The most common is the bare-nosed, or common wombat, Wombat ursinus, found in the cool forests of southeastern Australia and Tasmania. Next are the 2 hairy-nosed wombats, named for their soft, fur-covered noses. The southern hairy-nosed wombat lives in the dry, arid regions of southern Australia, often sharing large, complex burrow systems called warrens. The rarest is the northern hairy-nosed wombat, one of the world's most endangered mammals, now surviving in just a couple of protected areas in Queensland. Hairy-nosed wombats are more social and have longer, pointed ears and softer fur compared to the common wombat's rounder features. Each species is perfectly adapted to its environment, from the lush forests to the harsh outback. Conservationists work tirelessly to protect the critically endangered northern hairy-nosed wombat. If you spot a wombat, look at its nose, ears, and fur to tell which species it is. These differences show just how adaptable and resilient wombats can be. 3 species, 3 survival stories, each a testament to Australia's wild diversity. Wombats are built for digging and defense, nature's little bulldozers. They're stocky and strong, weighing up to 30 kilograms with short, powerful legs and long claws for excavating soil. Their low center of gravity gives them surprising strength for their size. One of their most famous features is their reinforced rump, a thick layer of skin, cartilage, and bone that acts as a shield. When threatened, a wombat dives into its burrow and blocks the entrance with its armored backside, making it nearly impossible for predators to get past. Their teeth are another marvel, ever-growing incisors, perfect for gnawing tough grasses and roots, and even for digging. This adaptation keeps their teeth sharp and ready for a lifetime of chewing and burrowing. Female wombats have a backward-facing pouch, a clever twist that keeps their joey safe and clean while digging. Unlike kangaroos, this pouch design prevents dirt from filling up while the mother works. Every part of a wombat's body is engineered for life underground, strength, protection, and efficiency. Their anatomy is a masterclass in adaptation, allowing them to thrive in some of Australia's toughest environments. From their powerful claws to their armored rumps, wombats are built for survival. These features unite all 3 species, making them true underground specialists. Wombats are living proof that evolution can create some truly remarkable creatures. Let's see how these adaptations shape their daily lives. Wombats are expert excavators, spending much of their lives in elaborate burrows. These underground homes can stretch up to 30 meters, with multiple entrances and cozy sleeping chambers. Burrows offer protection from predators and Australia's extreme temperatures, staying cool in summer and warm in winter. Common wombats are solitary, but hairy-nosed wombats often share massive warrens, forming underground communities. Wombat burrows are vital for the ecosystem. During bushfires, they shelter not just wombats, but many other animals. Their digging creates safe havens and helps maintain biodiversity in the bush. By day, wombats rest in their burrows. At dusk, they emerge to forage, following familiar paths. They mark their territory with scent and their distinctive cube-shaped droppings. For wombats, the burrow is more than a home, it's a fortress and a lifeline. Wombats are herbivores, grazing mostly on tough native grasses, sedges and roots. Their diet is fibrous and dry, but wombats have evolved a super-efficient digestive system to extract every bit of nutrition and moisture. Digestion can take up to 2 weeks, allowing them to survive in arid environments with little water. Their ever-growing incisors and grinding molars are perfectly suited for slicing and crushing tough plant fibers. Wombats feed for hours each night, creating neat patches of cropped grass, so-called wombat lawns. This grazing encourages new plant growth and shapes the landscape. Their feeding habits help maintain open grassy areas and support the ecosystem. Wombats' unique teeth and slow digestion are key to their survival on such a challenging diet. By simply eating, they play a vital role in their environment. Wombats are true masters of making the most out of what nature provides. Wombats are famous for one of nature's oddest wonders, cube-shaped poop. Each night, a wombat produces dozens of these fibrous cubes, using them to mark territory and communicate. The flat sides keep the droppings from rolling off rocks and logs, making them perfect signposts for other wombats. With poor eyesight, wombats rely on scent to read these messages: who's been there, how long ago, and even if a mate is nearby. For years, scientists puzzled over how wombats make cubes. The answer lies in their intestines. Varying elasticity and stiffness in the gut shape the feces into cubes as it moves through. Rhythmic contractions sculpt the corners before the cubes exit. This adaptation is unique to wombats and perfectly suited for their needs. The cube-shaped poop is more than a quirky fact, it's a brilliant evolutionary solution for communication. It's a reminder that even the strangest animal traits often have a purpose. Next time you see a wombat's calling card, you'll know it's a marvel of nature's engineering. Wombats turn even their droppings into a survival tool. That's the magic of evolution at work. Wombat life begins with a tiny jelly bean-sized joey, born after just a short pregnancy. Blind and helpless, the joey crawls into its mother's backward-facing pouch, where it latches onto a teat and grows for months. The pouch keeps the joey safe and clean while the mother digs. After about 6 to 7 months, the joey starts peeking out and exploring, but quickly retreats to safety if startled. Gradually, it transitions from milk to grass, learning by following its mother. Even after leaving the pouch, young wombats stay close to their mothers for up to a year, learning essential survival skills. Wombats mature slowly, not breeding until around 3 years old, and usually have just one joey every 2 years. This slow reproduction means populations recover slowly if numbers drop. The strong mother-joey bond is crucial for survival in the wild. Wombats face serious threats, from habitat loss to disease. The common and southern hairy-nosed wombats are relatively stable, but their habitats are shrinking as cities and farms expand. In some areas, wombats are seen as pests, leading to conflict with humans and illegal culling. Sarcoptic mange, a skin disease, is devastating populations, especially among common wombats. The northern hairy-nosed wombat is critically endangered, with only a few hundred left. Conservationists have built predator-proof fences, managed food supplies, and established a second colony to protect this rare species. Thanks to these efforts, their numbers are slowly increasing. The story of the northern hairy-nosed wombat shows that dedicated conservation can bring a species back from the brink. Protecting wombats means preserving habitats, managing disease, and fostering understanding. Their survival depends on our actions. Wombats remind us of the importance of protecting Australia's unique wildlife. Wombats are more than wildlife, they're Australian icons. From beloved children's books like Diary of a Wombat to the cheeky Olympic mascot Fatso, wombats have charmed generations. In Indigenous Dreamtime stories, wombats are respected figures, sometimes shaping the land or teaching important lessons. Their burrowing skills and resilience are admired, and their image is woven into art, literature, and national identity. Wombats are ecological engineers, cultural symbols, and a source of national pride. Their quiet determination and quirky traits make them unforgettable. Whether sheltering animals from fire or inspiring laughter, wombats have dug deep into Australia's heart. They remind us to celebrate and protect the wild wonders of our world.